Welcome to another amazing video. Today, we are going to show you 10 incredible weight loss transformations that will blow your mind. These are real people who have achieved their goals and changed their lives for the better. Whether they did it through diet, exercise, surgery, or a combination of methods, these people have proven that nothing is impossible when you have the determination and the motivation. So, without further ado, let's get started. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last one is truly unbelievable. Let's go. Number 10 on the list is Krista Francis, a mother of two from a small town, embarked on a transformative journey after her weight reached 386 pounds. The turning point came when she was unable to carry her son through a bathroom door. This incident sparked her determination to lose weight for her children's sake. Over 3.5 years, she lost an impressive 248 pounds through rigorous workouts and lifestyle changes. Her journey was not just about physical transformation, but also about accepting herself, including her loose skin. Krista's story inspired those around her, and she even developed an interest in bodybuilding. Despite the challenges, she found joy in her new lifestyle and became a symbol of resilience and self-love. She believes in the opportunity to be better and the importance of perseverance. Her story is a testament to the power of self-discovery and the pursuit of a better life. Meet Heath Thompson, a 32-year-old man from Iowa who stands before us today, not just as an individual, but as a symbol of willpower and perseverance. At the age of 27, Heath weighed a staggering 477 pounds. He was a binge eater since he was 13, and his unhealthy lifestyle had put him at a high risk of having a heart attack by the age of 30. But Heath decided to take control of his life. He realized that he needed to make a change. And so, he embarked on a journey of transformation. A journey that was not easy, but one that he was determined to complete. Through diet and exercise alone, Heath lost an astonishing 227 pounds in 5 years. Today, he weighs in at 250 pounds. But what's more impressive is that he is proud of the excess skin that's left behind. It's a testament to his journey, a badge of honor that he wears with pride. Heath discovered a passion for fitness and a healthy diet. His transformation was so profound that it even led him to become a nutrition coach. He now dedicates his life to helping others achieve their health and fitness goals. Heath's story is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to make a change. Our protagonist is a 30-year-old man named Eugene Warner from Virginia. At his heaviest, Eugene weighed a staggering 350 pounds. He was battling depression, which over the years led to significant weight gain. This is not a story of despair. This is a story of transformation. In 2011, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson made his wrestling return. Eugene, like millions of others, was inspired by The Rock's charisma, his strength, and his determination. But unlike many, Eugene didn't just admire The Rock, he decided to emulate him. He made a vow to himself, a vow to lose weight, a vow to reclaim his life. In 7 years, Eugene has done what many thought was impossible. Despite battling chronic fatigue syndrome and irritable bowel syndrome, he lost an incredible 160 pounds, weighing in at a healthy 190 pounds. Today, Eugene stands before us, not just as a man who lost weight, but as a beacon of hope for all those who are struggling. He is stronger, healthier, and more determined than ever. He has turned his life around and now works as a personal trainer, helping others to achieve their fitness goals. Eugene's story teaches us that no matter how hard the journey, no matter how insurmountable the obstacles, with determination and inspiration, we can overcome. We can change. We can become the best version of ourselves. Weighing in at 425 pounds, Robert Saldivar, a resident of Waterford, California, found himself grappling with the challenges of daily life. Simple tasks like walking from his car to his front door left him gasping for breath and drenched in sweat. His weight issues began spiraling out of control in 2005 when he took up a sedentary job at a call center. Robert confessed, "I was a recluse, preferring the solitude of my home after work. I avoided public places and shopping centers because I didn't want to be seen. A tragic event served as the catalyst for Robert's weight loss journey. The loss of my wife was what spurred me to shed 236 pounds. The fog of depression lifted after her funeral, and for the first time, I saw myself clearly. It was only then that Robert truly understood the extent of his size. He knew he had to make a change, not just for himself, but for his children, to spare them the burden of his health issues. At 38 years old, Casey King's life was dominated by his food addiction and a weight of 823 pounds, leading to a lifestyle that was virtually non-existent outside of video games. However, the birth of his nephew and a stern warning from doctors about his imminent mortality sparked a change in him. Before becoming a part of TLC's Family by the Ton, Casey had already begun his weight loss journey and opted for weight loss surgery, a decision he regards as the best he's ever made. He continued to shed pounds, transforming his diet and lifestyle completely, and now weighs approximately 245 pounds, having lost over 550 pounds. Casey doesn't regret his past. Instead, he appreciates the person he has become because of his experiences. His remarkable weight loss has left him with loose skin, for which he is currently fundraising to have surgically removed, indicating that his transformation is not yet complete. The weight loss has not only made Casey more confident, but has also enabled him to do things he previously felt incapable of, such as driving and working. It has even revolutionized his love life, as he is now actively dating. He expressed, "There's just so much more out there to this world that I never experienced throughout many years in my life. Now that I've got a taste of it, I just don't want to stop." April Wood, a mother of 3 from Arizona, has achieved an astounding weight loss of 280 pounds through a combination of diet and exercise. April's battle with weight began in her childhood. She shared with friends, "I was around 12 when I first fell into the obese category. I started high school weighing between 200 to 250 pounds, and by the time I graduated, I was at 350 pounds. At her heaviest, April weighed 440 pounds, which led to constant fatigue and hindered her ability to play with her children. The turning point came when she was watching a video of her daughter, Chloe, learning to walk. I wanted to get up and go to her, but my weight made it too difficult to rise from the couch. That was the moment of realization for me." Motivated to change her life, April embarked on a journey of healthy eating and regular workouts, resulting in rapid weight loss. Her progress accelerated when she met Matt Hoodie, a personal trainer and gym owner who had himself lost 130 pounds. Matt has been a key figure in helping me reach my weight loss goal. He understands the mental and physical challenges involved, having been through them himself. However, the weight loss journey was not without its challenges. April was left with a significant amount of loose skin after losing the excess weight. "I worked tirelessly for the body I wanted, but the excess skin remained, a reminder of the battle I had fought." Since then, April has undergone 2 skin removal surgeries and received breast implants, marking the end of her weight loss journey. Despite the fact that maintaining her goal weight is almost more difficult than losing the weight, April remains determined to keep going. She says, "Staying at my goal weight is almost harder than losing the weight, but I'm committed to pushing forward." At the peak of his weight, DJ Varela tipped the scales at over 500 pounds. This 29-year-old Phoenix, Arizona native led a fast-paced life as a club promoter, with his diet consisting solely of fast food. However, in October 2018, DJ realized that he couldn't sustain this lifestyle and took the first step towards his weight loss journey by giving up fast food. Shortly after, with the support of his friend and trainer, Bo, DJ began to exercise and adhere to meal plans. Within a span of 18 months, DJ remarkably shed 300 pounds and achieved his target weight. Now, DJ is keen on assisting others in their weight loss journeys and has established his own company, Functional Fitness. DJ is still committed to improving his physique and has set a new goal for himself: to compete as an MMA athlete. Reflecting on his transformation, DJ says, "When I look in the mirror now, I see the person that I always envisioned." At his peak, James Robertson tipped the scales at an astounding 440 pounds. His upbringing in West Virginia, a state notorious for its high obesity rates in the USA, was characterized by a diet rich in fast food and a lack of physical activity. By 2019, James' weight had escalated to the point where his scales could no longer register it, displaying only an error message. Coupled with his doctor's stern warnings about serious health risks, this served as a wake-up call for James to shed the pounds. Embracing a regimen of regular exercise and nutritious meals, James has managed to reduce his weight by half over the last 2 years. The journey of weight loss, as James discovered, can be lengthy but rewarding. He says, "You need to accept and love yourself as you are in the present. Envision the life you aspire to lead and take joy in every small stride you make towards it." From the heartland of Saskatchewan, Canada, a man named Chance had been battling with his weight since his childhood, using food as a solace. As he aged, the issue escalated, leading him to consume over 10,000 calories daily. His escalating size began to impact his mental health, causing him to lose control. "I was unemployed, deeply depressed, and it certainly took a toll on my marriage. It disrupted many aspects of my life." Chance's weight also had severe physical health implications. Frequent hospital visits and a near-death experience due to a septic infection meant that his wife Jen lived in constant fear of losing him. During one of his hospital visits, a nurse weighed Chance, and he was stunned to discover that he weighed 600 pounds. This served as a wake-up call for Chance, and he wasn't alone in his journey. A friend provided him with dietary guidance, his cousin-in-law helped him set up a home gym, and Chance pledged to transform his life. He remarkably shed 300 pounds in just over 18 months, achieving his initial goal in October 2020 and reducing his waist size from 78 inch to 38. Despite the daily struggle with his loose skin resulting from his dramatic weight loss, Chance is now in a much healthier state. "Now, I am more focused on my goals, my future, and my life. I am grateful for what I have, and for this second chance at life that I've been given." But Chance's journey isn't over yet. He is now preparing for the final stretch to reach his ultimate weight goal of 250 pounds.